Okay, on this one, customer came in and had us do a little work to it. The charging system was bad, so we replaced the charging system and the compensator. And customer stated it wasn't running too well. So we found out that it had a ThunderMax on it. Wasn't aware that it had a ThunderMax on it. And so the timing's way off on it. The bike has hardly any power. So what we're gonna do is dive into this one and see what we can find. We did not install this ThunderMax. I don't really know who did, but we are gonna find out what the story is with it right now. All right, we're downloading what's inside the ThunderMax now, and we'll play detective and see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, so let's go to VIN number 96 inch 2011. All right, that's good. Okay, so now let's go here, basic settings, speedo calibration. It's a 2011 Softail right here. See, that's wrong. Softail should be 43,250. 43,250. Now, let's fire it up and see what it do. Okay, we reached 180 degrees. The map didn't make that many adjustments. All the gauges were right in line. So we're gonna go out and test ride this thing and see if there's a difference. I'm sure there will be. What you think, Tony?
Need 2 more cookies on it.
2 more.
2 more cookies.
We're going to change the timing 2 more degrees. See what happens. Okay, after getting the timing straightened out, the bike's got so much power now, we just discovered that it's got some clutch plates that need to be replaced. Didn't have enough power to even be able to tell that, but now it's showing its ugly head. So we'll let the customer know. Still runs fine, just stay out of it and it'll be all right. If he decides to put clutch plates in it, that's great. If he doesn't, that's fine too. It still gets you where you're going. So anyway, we appreciate you watching. Talk to you later.